Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where taskbar icons are not showing in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If your taskbar icons have disappeared in Windows 11, the solution might be simpler than you think. In Windows 11, the way system tray icons are managed has changed slightly. Instead of a broad setting, you often need to manually enable specific icons to appear. Start by right-clicking on your taskbar. From the context menu that appears, select Taskbar Settings. Once the Settings window is open, scroll down until you find the section labeled Other System Tray Icons. Clicking on this will present you with a list of applications. You can then individually toggle each application's icon on or off. By enabling the ones you wish to see, they will begin to appear in your system tray. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.